Oh my God! Oh my God! Doing it my entire life. Like, I've done it for John since we were like 14.
Like, don't even bother giving those kids a set of hair.
Me and Eddie went to San Diego and he met all my friends, and then John was like, Caroline, you're here. Can you shave my head?
Oh my God!
What?
Don't. Just chill out.
Well, the people that are in charge of this area have cut a trail right through the earthwork, so we can kind of see a cross section of what it would have looked like for the Confederates. So the Confederates, as I mentioned, dug these trenches and built up these earthen mounds that they could hide.
Oh, oh my God! Oh my God!
Union.
Oh my God! 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 Holy sh!
That was red, and he tried to pass it.
Physician, heal thyself.
You said Harrison Ford, he went, no, he can do better.
Yeah, he said that's too pretentious a name for a young man. He was about 4 years older than me. Always called me.
оказывать помощь нашим. И благодаря нашим и волонтерам, и всем и медикам мы создали такую систему, наверное, одну из лучших. Когда у нас ранеными в первый час.
Oh my God. I'm glad we're all eating.
God damn it. What the f?
Like, your brain does that. Like, you know, you can't help it.
And it's the Porsche that did this.
Yeah.
Did I make a bargain? Did I sell my soul to a demon?
What the f, dude?
The monkey's paw part of the wish?
Wow. Douchebag. Douchebag.
I'm saving money. I got money put up. I'm slowly putting some stuff up.
Watch out, watch out!
Whoa! Shit! What the f? I thought we were gonna get hit. Son of a bitch. Did he hit me at all?
No.